I think the agriculture application is huge. The government gives Pradhan Mantri Kisan Yojana, in that person who loses the crop, for him or her, this 6,000 is nothing. Why government is giving to all and sundry at a very paltry amount? The reason is that they cannot distinguish who has suffered and who has not suffered, because they do not have a data. Your car meets into an accident, you can take to a dealer's place, but your crop goes bad, you cannot bring to one go down and sow, because by the time everything would have gone. So you have to send inspectors to the crops, and you cannot afford to have those inspectors at the cost of MSP per ton of paddy or per ton of wheat today. So our insurance is not picking up, and that is where we are. But globally, if you look at it, it is growing at a rate of 6.5 CAGR. It's almost a $38 billion today, and it is expected to go $52 billion by 2026. India's share of this market is very small. It's nothing. Actually, we are a big producer. We send wheat to all the countries all around, but we cannot insure our farmers properly.